In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix Fallout 4 audio sync. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly fix any issues attributed to dialogue and audio not lining up properly in Fallout 4. Usually, this issue happens because of the frame rate set inside of your game. So, for the first option that you have, go into My Games, Documents, and you will be able to find the Fallout 4 folder, where you can see the Fallout 4 prax.ini file. This file contains a lot of settings related to Fallout 4. So right-click this and then choose the option to add it in Notepad or open with Notepad. Once you open this file with Notepad, you will be able to browse through various options, and you need to find this one, I present interval, and then there is going to be a value here. You can press Ctrl F and then just look for the word interval if you cannot locate this here. Now, once you find this line of code, I recommend that you set it to 1. So if this is set to 0 or 2, just change it to 1. You can either try 1 or 2 as long as it is not set to 0. Once you change this, make sure that you click on File and you save. Now, try running the game and see if the dialogue and audio is still unsynced. If it is still unsynced, then you might have to do additional steps. First, close down everything and then right-click on your desktop. If you have a dedicated graphics card, you will be able to go into the AMD Software Adrenalin Edition control panel or the NVIDIA control panel. And what you have to do in here is limit the frame rate of the game. So if you have a high refresh rate monitor, usually this brings a lot of issues, not only to the dialogue and audio, but also other stuff like physics engines and so on. So by limiting the FPS, by using something like Radeon Chill or the equivalent option on NVIDIA cards, which sadly I cannot display on screen, you will be able to minimize the audio sync issues. So try limiting your frame rate, and you can even attempt to limit the refresh rate of your monitor. Make sure that the FPS inside of the game is limited and it matches your monitor's native refresh rate, and you will be good to go. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix Fallout 4 audio sync. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.